My name is Glenn Lyons. I'm Project Director at Viva Energy. My experience in the Women in Manufacturing Network mentoring program has been quite a journey. I was a mentor. It's different with each one depending on the individuals and the personalities involved and what they want to get out of the program. In the case of Viva Energy, we've had a number of mentees go through the program that have benefited them and obviously the organisation. The fact that it's cross-business, that the mentee and the mentor are two different businesses, it provides certainly better advocacy at the senior leader level within organisations for female development, as well as some personal development, as well as the ability to have better development and coaching and mentoring discussions within the organisation.